Oh! About weeded it. What happened?
His fucking throttle grip just slid off.
The grip slid off.
I just slid it back on. I was going over this and the fucking grip went like this and I'm like, oh shit.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Nice.
Fucking mechanic cool, dude.
It wasn't ready to go, I know that. Did you get off the face of the jump?
Straight. Get it. Well, I saw his bike laying there. Yeah. Or your bike, I guess.
Did
or Emily's bike.
See me hook up and almost yeet myself? Going on the inside trying to get cold.
Well, here, ride this one.
Holy shit.
Holy God.
I don't think he's gonna ride it. I was not expecting that.
I wouldn't have been either. That's my fault.
That's not good.
Ride that one. You won't die on that one, I don't think. I'll go tighten it up. What's up, dude? You got some food on your mouth. What's that? You can go work on the track? Alright. He's got a what?
He's over at his parents right now. You should just have him come ride.
Mm.
Should have invited him.
He's always... We're dialed. I feel really fucking bad, but I told him, I was like, dude, this thing's half apart. Hopefully I got it on this. I don't know how far back he was, if I made the corner in time to see him crash on this.
Oh, I turned and the bike was laying
That's
here.
what I saw.
And I was like, oh, maybe he just kind of like bailed.
Yeah, and then I came back and he was like dead.
Laying on the ground.
Is this thing on still? It only had like 10 minutes of recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Is it? Oh!
Nice.
He's gonna want one with a clutch.
Neutral. That could be from wear and tear.
See, I think that one's a little more barkier. What do you
I
think?
think yours is more barky.
Really?
Yeah, but you gotta cut your bars down. They're too wide.
I like them.
Well, right?
Yeah,
But
almost.
that's so much better than that.
It's a what?
That's way better than that.
Oh, I know.
The clutch is kind of weird though.
It's not engaging right. It's weird.
It's like it's just like on or off.
That's how I like it though.
Yeah. Just a one popper.
That's what I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I guess it's set up right. I was just fucking with the front brake. This is the first time I've ridden with these on it. Cause these,
Oh, those bars?
all this shit was on that. That's why it was sitting half-assed.
I cleared it on that.
That thing